When 8 years ago, I invested in some startup helping improve drivers' behavior. I was told, why are you doing it? Probably in 5 years, we already don't have drivers. All cars will be driverless. It was like a clear trend. And now, okay, it is already more than 3 years as I exited from this project, but driverless cars are still in near future. Why AI become buzzword of the year? What happened? I first read about neural networks and future artificial intelligence many years ago when I still was in school. When I became investor, I met projects in machine learning and AI regularly, especially in last 5-7 years. Number of projects which suffix AI are in my portfolio, and some of them are quite successful. What happened? What changed? Today we see that applications are so wide that already lets inexperienced users to become painters, composers, software designers, and so on. And we understand that it is just a beginning of the way. It is really everywhere. I don't know one industry where AI could not be applied. For those who will adopt it and manage to use it, it is a really enormous competitive advantage and enormous tool to create new possible applications. I believe that in future AI can be self-developed to such an extent that it can also start to make business. It was already described many times in science fiction, and I believe it is applicable to reality. But again, this future is not here yet. For now, let's consider that AI is just technology and business is still done by people. As an investor, I see a lot of projects, both new and very often old projects which were not successful without AI suffix, and consider that just by adding AI to their description, they already get more chances to get successful. But I would tell, if you will get something which doesn't make sense without AI, just applying AI to such a project will make you still senseless project with AI, nothing more. So I really pay big attention to business component and what really people want to do business-wise and how they're gonna do their business, and take in account that really artificial intelligence can help people make more successful projects. When I speak to AI projects who come for funding, I try to distinguish because new models creators and those who just repackage. And I believe that both approaches have right to success, and both approaches could bring startup and its team to success. What I try to understand, if it is something new, how team sees and understand its application, it is business and its go-to-market. If I speak to those who repackage, I try to understand if they really found a market pain and if they really address those business processes where application of artificial intelligence will bring to higher efficiency and good money savings, and therefore to widespread this product. I believe that at the end of the day, AI will become a great investor, especially in public markets, where there's a lot of open information, and this information is equally accessible. Other things to consider that I believe it is already difficult market, I mean public trading for human, because it is algorithm and models who do it much quicker and who have all the information all the time. Regarding venture investment, it is today bit different because it's still very limited access to information. Information is not publicly available, and still a lot of feelings present in the process. But I believe maybe 5 years, and we will see already great implementations in this area too. When I speak to startups which come with AI, first of all, I look at what they're gonna do and what is a real business. Then I try to understand how they're going to reinvent AI to build their own models, or they're gonna use existing large corporation solution, or work more closely with open source community, which I prefer. Therefore, nothing changes for me in estimation of possible success of such businesses. Despite of artificial intelligence making as a pinpoint of the application, I still will look at what I will look usually. What is business idea? What is team to implement this idea? How big market they gonna address? Will they have a scalable business model and positive unit economy? It all stays the same. If I see this quality, then application of AI brings me more trust that a project could become more successful. But still, all necessary points stay here. What are best AI projects which I see today? For sure, these projects which address clear existing business applications, but really make it much more competitive and agile with implementation of neural networks and artificial intelligence. It is most clear and has best chances to implementation and more clear path to the market. I can see it from projects in our portfolio. We have both projects who try to solve a problem of creating of new models for generative AI, but we also have projects with concrete business applications. And I see that last projects develop faster for now, and more fundamental projects have good chances for future. When I look at modern applications and I see enormous number of clones and packaging of existing AI technology doing okay, you can write even better, you can write more better, you can write much more better. I see that it is really a red ocean, because it is very difficult to distinguish, and it is really difficult to find competitive advantages of any of such startups, and therefore it will be very expensive and difficult for them to reach their customers and to make a real business case. All kind of horizontal solutions which tell, okay, we make some user interface to ChatGPT and making some more clear how to make image or how to create text, in my opinion, don't have a lot of chances, because it is doesn't bring any new quality or any new business approach. What have chances, in my opinion, it is really clear business applications and bringing new, very modern and powerful technology closer to real business. It is what really have chances. I am afraid that many cases of generative AI could be similar to game industry, when people just start play one game, and after short time they already have enough of it and they look for new game. So many generative AI applications are still like toys. Now it is very modern and people play it, but in very short time they will switch on ones of competition or on some new toy. Today I see so many applications from projects who tried to pitch me yesterday the Web3 solution. Today they do AI solution, and even more often I see combination. We are Web3 AI solution and we fly to Mars tomorrow. But in reality, it is necessary just get it as a white noise. I don't pay attention to buzzwords. I just pay attention to basic business principle, and it helps me to distinguish these buzzwords projects from potential future unicorns. What real AI application I see today? I see applications which help businesses to adapt AI to their particular needs. There are many AI applications which are already existing and give quite good results, but are quite difficult to use for unexperienced users who are not software designers. As usual, it is my favorite joke here. Making applications is too serious thing to trust it to programmers. So those projects who really address this, create clear and simple solution with good user experience and easy user interface have full chances to grab the market. So if you are just starting your project today, what should you do? Compete giants? I believe not. Try to find your way. Try to find how AI application will make your project more sustainable and scalable. I give this advice also to our existing projects. I tell that we are close to situation, adapt or die. So for many projects, it's just vital to implement AI in different fields, in optimizing business processes, in building applications using large language models, in building user experience, support, and so on, all based on this. I see great applications. I already see projects which use AI to get sales, to get marketing, to get research, programming to the new level. And it is very important. I know that many of my colleagues, investors, look at AI application in our field. What is AI? It is unparalleled access to the knowledge. It is speed, efficiency, and it is your clear way to success. When I think about implementation of AI to our investment processes, I can foresee picture when investors will be totally replaced by artificial intelligence. But I see here one danger, that this artificial intelligence will not invest in human project because it will consider much more efficient and quick to invest in projects of other artificial intelligence networks. And let's remember, venture investment is more art than science.